Delete Google account permanently. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Now go and open up your Gmail app. After you open Gmail, now tap on this profile at the top right side. So now scroll all the way to down and tap on this manage account on this device. So in this session now it will show you all your Gmail account on your phone. So go and select the one that you want to delete. So I'll select this one. So you can tap on this, as you can see now here it says Google account, tap on it. So under this Google account, now it will show you all your Google account information. So in this session now go to this, as you can see now, data and privacy. So under this data and privacy, now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, you find this option which says delete your Google account. Tap on it. So now in this session, it will ask you to verify your security. So you can tap on this continue button. Under this continue, as you can see now, here it says delete your Google account. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is all your mails. If you want, you can be able to download your data like your emails on your email account. So scroll to down. So now you can check on these two options. So after you check on this, now if I tap on this delete account button, now it will delete my Google account. That's it guys on how to delete your Gmail account permanently. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.